Hey everyone, it's Mike Pell. Come and join me at South by Southwest for Envisioneering 101. Learn how to take your own incredible ideas and your passion and turn that into something real very quickly so that you can test it out with real people. Envisioneering is all about being able to imagine what's possible, but also know enough about engineering to be able to make it real enough to show. That's what I'm an expert at, and that's what you'll be an expert at after spending some time with me in this workshop. Your imagination is the best and fastest and highest fidelity tool we have to figure out what exactly is possible. And there's enough new tools and new techniques to be able to take those ideas and make them very real. We don't have to use technology. There's lots of other ways to do it, but I'm going to show you my secrets for going from gigantic breakthrough idea to something that will convince your team, your investors, or the world that your idea is the next vision. See you there.